dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
A contractor with the Central Bank of Nigeria, Victor Onyejuwa, told the Lagos State Special Offense Court in Ikeja that he had no dealings with the former CBN governor, Godwin Emefiele. Moving on, we have Nyesom Wike said that he has focused on Tinubu's assignment, so he can never be distracted. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If this is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. A contractor with the Central Bank of Nigeria, Victor Onyejuwa, on Friday told the Lagos State Special Offense Court in Ikeja that he had no dealings with the former CBN governor Godwin Emefiele. He said that $600,000 he was asked to pay to the management of the CBN before he would pay for the contract he executed for the Access Bank was paid to the former CBN Director of Information Technology, John Ayo. Onyejuwa said that the Managing Director of Resources Computer Limited testified in Emefiele's ongoing trial that all his communication with John Ayo was done via WhatsApp. He said that the first payment he made to John Ayo was $400,000 in Lagos, while the second payment was $200,000. That was paid in Abuja. Onyejuwa said that he didn't get any letter from authorization from the CBN management that he should pay bribe for the contract that was awarded to his company. The witness, who was cross-examined by Emefiele's lawyer, Olaleko Ojo, told the court that it was John Ayo that signed the award of the contract and the competition, that the first contract that was awarded to his company was $1.3 billion, while the second one was $2.1 million. Onyejuwa said that after John Ayo left the CBN, he did other contracts with the bank till 2019 and he was paid in due time, adding that no bribe was demanded from him. He said the contract he executed after John Ayo left the CBN were done while Emefiele was still the governor of Access Bank, and he did a new contract with the CBN and no bribe was demanded and the payment for the contract was paid in due time. He executed the contract while Godwin Emefiele was still the CBN governor. When he was asked whether he had any conversation with any of the CBN deputy governor to find out if John Ayo had the authority to collect the $600,000 bribe, he answered in negative, that no, he did not. When asked if John Ayo showed up any communication between him and Emefiele about the delivery of the money, he said no. Hey, but people don't be small matter. Under cross-examination, he also admitted that he did not have any direct instruction from Godwin Emefiele, that he has never met him before, and his dealings with the CBN management through John Ayo. When the witness was asked if he showed the Economic and Financial Crime Commission a letter demanding a bribe, he said no. When Onyejuwa was asked who the money was delivered to, he said the money was delivered to John Ayo in his office, and after the payment was made, it was an official of the IT department that signed it. My people, this matter don't tie rapper because na different witness they come out for this Emefiele matter. This matter don't long. Some persons are using the action Godwin Emefiele take during cash policy to make the matter worse, because a lot of people died during that period. So they've not, forgiven him of the action he took. My people, you guys can record that the Mbatu Emefiele and his co-defendant RI0USLY are currently facing trial on 26 counts bordering on abuse of office and alleged $4.5 billion and $2.8 billion fraud. The former CBN governor Godwin Emefiele and Moile pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Onyejuwa on the last adjourned date in his examination in chief, though Justice Ramado showed that he was pressured to pay $600,000 before he was paid for a contract. According to Onyejuwa, he said sometimes in 2017 that he got an enterprise storage and server from the CBN, and after executing the job, he was approached by the senior official who told him that his payment would not be approved if he did not pay certain sum of money. The official said that there was pressure on him, so he told John Ayo that his payment was being delayed, and they replied him that if he didn't accede to his request, his payment would not be approved. After several back and forths, he said he succumbed to his pressure and he was able to organize the sum of $400,000 and the $200,000 to facilitate payment of the contract fraud. So within 2 weeks or 3 weeks after, the payment was made. This my people don't be small matter. Assistance now the case has been adjourned to July 9 and 10 for continuation of trial. Hey, this matter never end. So guys, I go like no waiting. I think about this issue in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. Let's have it, guys. Moving on to the next one. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, has reaffirmed his commitment to delivering on the assignment given to him by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to give a facelift to the nation capital, saying that he cannot be distracted by the politics of his home state, Rivers State. The crisis is not too much. So now, Nyesom Wike did reaffirm his commitment, saying now his focus is on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's assignment. So he can never be distracted with whatever thing that Fubara is doing in Rivers State. My people don't be small matter. Nyesom Wike said that his major priority now is to ensure that all the projects slated for commissioning by the president to mark his first anniversary are completed, even as check revealed that most of the projects were almost completed. The minister announced this on Friday in Abuja during an inspection tour of some projects to be commissioned by the end of the month. He said he cannot be distracted, that if he was distracted, that we won't see this performance in Abuja. So he has focused on his work. So right now he's not interested in whatever thing that is going on in Rivers State, that he's now the Minister of Federal Capital Territory and the works are going on. If he was distracted, that how will this work be progressing? He said he's not even thinking about whatever thing that is happening in Rivers State. Nyesom Wike, the Federal Capital Territory Minister, expressed satisfaction over all the road works inspected, and he commended the contractors for delivering the job within the specific time frame. He said this is the final inspection as regards the preparedness of the inauguration of the various projects, that from what we have seen, that they believe that they are ready for the commissioning from 27th May and it will end on 6th June. So it is going to be a 9-day long event. So they are all happy and the contractors are meeting up. And all the promise they made, they have been fulfilled. And they have also fulfilled their own part to make sure that they have cash back. That none of them is complaining in terms of cash. My people don't be small, but the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, also disclosed that the Abuja Metro line will be flagged off for commercial operation by May 27. So by the approval of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they believe that 27 of this month, they shall start the inauguration of various projects. Particularly on 27, they believe the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will flag off the commercial operation of the metro line. Nyesom Wike said that on the issue of some street lights malfunctioning, he said extensive maintenance was carried out and he has assured that every project meant to be completed before May 27 will be completed. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to viewers. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. See you guys next time till I come your winners.